morning, guys. We are going to do a short review about all the electrical concepts and the typical issues that you have in a boat, in electricity and electronics. The secret number one when you receive a phone call related with the electrical problem, what is? Isolate the problem. My problem is AC or is DC, and I focus the problem in that area, no? But this is the number one problem. Today, my friends, it's difficult in some cases isolate the problem because every day the boats are more hybrid boats, electric boats, and you know that those boats depend of an inverter, and the inverter depend of the battery bank. In that case, isolate the problem is not easy. You need to investigate where is my problem, no? Where is located, where is focused the problem that I have. But today we are going to try to check, to review all of those typical concepts. Okay, we are going to start slowly with the DC panel, and after that we are going to pass to the AC panel and electronics. And we are going to start with a small boat, typical small boat with one engine and one cranking battery dedicated for the engine, and one house battery for the house. It's a small cabin with a couple of lights and blowers and some equipment like this. In other words, I have two batteries, one for house, other one for cranking, and of course I have a switch selector, no, the red one. In this particular boat, the boat have one battery charger, and the battery charger is plugged on the pedestal. But in this boat, in this example, I don't have power in the DC panel. I don't have power, nothing in the DC panel. In cranking, yes, I start the engine, no problem, but in the DC panel, I don't have power. Where you think could be the problem? In that particular boat, the battery charger is connected to the shore power, and the boat have one a.c.r. with the 2 inputs and 3 outputs. In the outputs are used only 2, one for the cranking battery and the other one for the house battery. And in the inputs of the a.c.r, one input is coming from a battery charger, and the other input is coming from the alternator. That's okay? Mm-hmm. But I arrived to my boat today. I can start the engine. I have good power in the cranking battery. But when I check my DC panel, nothing. The boat have a switch selector, and the switch selector is located in position parallel. Okay, and this is the switch selector, no? The switch selector have a position 1, position 2, parallel and off. Okay, my engine is cranking, but I don't have power in the panel, no? Okay, I check position number 1, I have power. Position number 2, I have power. And also I have power in the output. What means that? Battery 1 is good, battery 2 is good,
and all the grounds.
And the switch selector is good, yeah, also, no? Alright, my switch selector is good, but I don't have power in the panel. I can start the engine start, but I don't have power in the panel. What is the next step? Okay, verify to the fuse.
You're gonna go to the fuse.
Good?
Yeah, to the fuse.
The fuse is good, and after that to the chun.
Yeah.
The chun is good here and nothing here.
Okay.
The chun is open. Remember that the chun is like a resistor, and they have a small filament here. Oh, that's open. Yeah, that's the problem. You need to fix it, or you replace the chun for another one, and you continue. Okay, now that's the new one. I have power here. I have power here. Suppose that this is the situation. We don't have power in the panel. Okay, I have power here. I have power here. In the chun, in both sides, I have power. I have power at the input of the main breaker. I turn on the main breaker, but I don't have power in the output of the breaker. It's the breaker. Yeah, you need, like Danny said, follow the path. You replace the breaker. Okay, now I have power in the output, and this one is communicated with the positive bus bar. I have power in the positive bus bar. Right now I have power. Yeah? This one or the test prop, no? The test prop is better than this. Let me tell to you something. I recommend when you finish your boat, the electrical wiring, I recommend try to do a good wiring.
Nice.
A good wiring in a paper, and try to laminate that wiring, and try to keep that wiring in any part of the boat easy to see. If you are not in the boat and something is wrong, this is the diagram. This is your configuration. This is what you create in your boat, no? Because if somebody visits the, I don't have that. Oh, who connect this? And no, my friend. I connect this, but makes sense because yeah, check my diagram. Don't remove my cables because I did that. Normally, when you receive a boat, who connect this one direct? No, my friend. That makes sense because protect this. Oh, yeah. But because you don't have any diagram for other people, will be difficult to understand at the beginning. Okay, we are going to return to this situation. Was nice, no? Number one, I don't have power in the panel. Pay attention to this situation. I discovered in that verification that my battery, the house battery, is completely discharged. And you say, okay, but I don't understand. I have this a.c.r. with two inputs. One input from the battery charger and other input from the alternator of the engine. And I have battery 1 and battery 2. And this battery is completely discharged. I discovered in the process verifying that I don't have power in the battery. And I checked the battery is good. I checked with the load tester, the battery is good in the yellow area, but is discharged. Pay attention. My boat is always connected to the shore power in the dock, no? The shore power enter here. And I verify the battery charger, and the battery charger is good. I remove both outputs of the battery charger, and it's 14 point something. It's working good. Okay, but this battery is completely discharged. It's not damaged. The battery is good, but it's discharged. What do you think? Remember, here is the battery charger, no? Okay, let me turn on the battery charger. I remove this cable and this cable for battery 1 and battery 2. I connect the input power from the inverter, and I check the voltage here. Okay, here I have 14.2. Here I have 14.3. And here I have 10.5. Internally, the diodes in this output are broken. Okay. In this particular situation, I have one spare output. I am going to use that one. Okay, if this and this are damaged, I need to replace the a.c.r. Is the a.c.r. It's common that the a.c.r. be broken, yes. In some cases, it's the cable.
Yeah.
The cable coming from here
connection
into the battery. With Danny, we discover every day. The cable looks perfect. Perfect, the terminal good, the heat string perfect. But when you bend the terminal, internally is separated. Remember that the cable coming from this point into the positive of this battery and the cable coming from this point into the positive of the second battery have a fuse. No? It's always fuses. The same with the cable coming from the battery charger here and with the orange cable coming from the alternator here. They have fuses. All of them have fuses. I checked with the voltmeter and I verified that is 6 volts, 7 volts, completely discharged. And I checked the cable and I found that the cable open. I checked the fuse and the fuse is burned. Okay, the fuse is burned in the cable, and of course the battery is completely discharged. In what cases normally that fuse is burned? One possibility is the a.c.r. But the most common possibility in that situation, that fuse is broken, is the battery is in short. The battery is in short. Let me bring my load tester. Go to 0 immediately. The battery is in short. When the battery is in short and this element try to send charge, what happened with the fuse?